Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mark from the Breakout Bulls, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we basically look for the next possible breakout bull. So I'm not going to go into too many details as far as analysis. There'll be another video for that. This will be more strictly towards actually um, finding possible picks. So I won't be actually naming any picks right now. This will just be a general screener video to keep it down, keep the time down, but to get to the point. So here we go right away. I use Google Stock Screener. Set the screener for the U.S. OTC markets, all sector, blah blah blah. Market cap. I put around 300 million. So the last price, um, basically between 0 and 0.5. So this is 50 cents, and anything here is basically triple O ones and up. And the quote change I like to see between 5 to 50% within the day. And the volume minimum of 200,000. I guess this is, I don't even know where this number came from, but I just look for the volume to be over 200,000. So this is my criteria that comes up, and I like to sort it by highest volume. So in this case, that's what it looks like. Excuse me. So here you can basically see all of the percent gain over the day from the quote. You can't really see the last price, but that's what the next part's for, and you can see the volume. So in here, all you do is basically, or how I do it, what works for me, is I'll look through these and I'll open up stock charts, and I will just have it running, and I'll just go through every single one of them, see what the charts look like, and then based on what the charts look like, that's where we'll go and do our due diligence. We'll go look into the fundamentals of the company, news, hype, etc., etc. If the technicals are lining up. So in this case, I have LVGI, Limitless Venture Group. So today they had a pretty nice day, 30% gains. Broke out of the EMA, 13 EMA over here, and held a 50 EMA support. And you can see it's kind of been consolidating up here with the EMA trend coming down here, so forming a bit of a triangle pattern that's been broken out of today. So this could possibly move tomorrow. How much, I'm not sure, but based on the daily candles, there's 40, 41, 42. So anywhere a breakout above the days high of this is 0.004, so 0.004 through 0.0042. What are these lows at? Low. So these are 0.004s, anywhere between 0.004 to 0.0044. Look for that breakout. And then we're looking at the next support around 0.069. So just basic quick look. Taking a look at the daily LVGI, sorry, the weekly chart, just to see what's cracking on the weekly. So you can see on the weekly, the overall weekly down trend is down. 50 and the 13 confirm that. So right now it's flirting around with its 13 EMA. If it breaks the highs at around 0.097 cents, then you can see it fly. Nearest is 0.0649. So ideally, this looks like it might be forming a bit of a cup and handle formation. So once it reaches this is where it could actually fly. For now, it's just basically just a day-to-day pattern right here. But on the weekly, it might fly if this level up here is broken. So very simple. Just go through every single one of these, and look at the charts. Oh, and look, BRND. That's our latest breakout bull. closed 15% up today. I think midday or in today it touched its high at 0.0048, which we called yesterday might happen. So we'll see what happens. There was some good volume on that, but we're pretty confident with it. So that's another sign there, and the fact that it's showing up in our at least top 10 on the search is also pretty good news. That it's still got the volume, which is equal to momentum, and there's still hype on it. So that's something else that we want to see. So very simple. Got the tickers over here. You've got the results here, and just go. TTDZ, another one that we're also looking at. FRCN is also in the tops, which is another one of our calls. Finished up 6% today. So as you can see, this is where we go to find, and that's simple. Every single chart, every single ticker, we'll take a look at what looks good. We'll throw it on our watch list, and then we'll throw it on our DD list, and from there we dissect it. And if we think if we think everything's lining up to break out, then we pass it on to you. So again, I've got a chart analysis coming up, so you'll be able to see that soon. Other than that, that's our process over here. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, give us a follow on Twitter at Breakout Bulls. Like our page, join our chat, and we'll see you there.